Kuhanin mo yun. Interviewin mo sila.
Okay. Ano? Bibidyoan kita eh.
May exam daw kayo.
Dapat yung gumaganon, yung human drone.
Ay, gusto niyo yung ano, yung maglalakad kayo dito. Tapos gaganon kayo. Tapos may fusion yun, parang Bollywood. Bollywood.
Ano nga dadapa si ate? Ikot-ikot.
Di ba may assist niya na automatic siyang i-ikot?
Yung assistant ko hindi nag-prepare ng questions. Ano ba tong mga to?
Tanong mo, anong napipil ngayon ni Kuya Rainier? Naka ni ate.
Okay. Ikaw muna, anong napipil mo kay Rinya?
Ha?
Huwag kang iyak.
Excited.
Excited ka na.
Ready ka na ba?
Wala, naiyak na ako.
Sure ka na dyan. Wacky. Girls. One, two, three. Tingin kayo lahat kila Kuya Rainier. One, two, three. Tingin niyo kayo ni ate. Saan ako titingin?
Mga bagong dating, say hi.
Mga late.
Say hi.
Hindi nila kami idol. Anniversary din namin ngayon eh.
Anniversary niyo
Oh,
rin?
wedding anniversary namin ngayon.
Congrats, congrats.
Same hour din, 10 a.m. Ay, mga boy. Mga lalaki.
Oh. Anong napipil niya? Init na. Sorry. Ayun, nakaturo sila kay Rinya. Nakaturo.
Ba't nakaturo?
Yes, ka Rinya. Excited ka na ba kaya Rinya? Excited ka na? Gusto mo magawa kayo ng baby? Ano, behind the scene. Hi guys, nandito na kami. Behind the scene. Guys, dali guys. Cute. Ang cute. Oh, may paano ka pa? May pa-promo ka pa ng Starbucks ah. May pa-promote ka pa. Sabi niyo kay, para kay Rinya. Ikaw pa naman natin eh.
Congrats.
Kaya niya.
Yun lang.
Ano ba to? Anong masasabi mo?
Pwede ka ba
ngayon?
tumakbo, Abi? Mag-u-Uber tayo.
Sabay-sabay pa talaga tayo ah.
Alam niyo na, next year.
Ano?
Next
itong
year.
meron ba tayo?
Hindi, wala tayo.
Same day. Same
Bawal
day.
na December.
Ha? Nakabok na pala kayo eh.
Secret. Picture na.
Please maririnig sa picture.
Ganun pa rin, nakatalikod pa rin, pero tigilan pa rin. Ganun kayo.
Hinag yung ano.
Okay, split ako rin yan.
Sasama ko talaga sa video.
Split ka, split ka. Dapat ganun ka mamaya. Mamaya ay sulusin mo yung menu mo. Mamaya ganun sir.
I'll just stand over there. You girls look at each other, holding hands. I can see that you are deeply in love. Can't wait for you to be married. I am Julie Hall, otherwise married according to law. Please get this wedding up and going. Hi!
Yes!
And are you ready to be married? Yes! Great.
You sure?
I think he is, honestly. But this one, because you don't do something funny like that. Just to get that little bit of reassurance, you know? Alright. Yeah, on your hand. Right back. You want to bring on? I ask the persons here present
I ask the persons here present
to witness that I,
to witness that I,
Reina Galliano Sazon,
Rainier Galliano Sazon,
will take you
will take here
Abigail Peniel Present.
Abigail Peñano Regasin
That's it, you got it. Don't you know how to say it. To be my
to be my
lawful wedded wife.
lawful wedded wife.
I ask the persons here present
To witness that I,
to witness that I,
Abigail Peniel Regasin.
Abigail Peñano Bregasin,
Oh my god. I'm so sorry about that. Will take you,
will take you,
Reina Galliano Sazon,
Rainier Galliano Sazon,
to be my lawful
to be my lawful
wedded husband.
wedded husband, to have
Have and so
from this
stay
day
forward,
forward
furniture for furnace,
furniture
furniture for poorer,
and
sickness
sickness
and in health, to love and to cherish,
For as long
for
for as long
as we shall
as we both shall be.
have your beautiful faces are looking back into them. Oh my god. They have to You guys can always stand. That's fine. Always at the end. You guys just all stand.
Oo, yeah. Ang likod ng mga trantahe. Okay.
Oh, tapos kiss!
Munti pa kiss. Hindi ako
Oh, gumawa ng kang kay Rainier.
choco.
Ganun ka. Oo.
Jump shot daw, jump shot.
Jump shot, jump shot.
Jump shot.
Ayan, nilabas ko yung dimple mo.
Nangyari kay Rainier.
belly out daw.
Kita ba?
Isa pang ganun. Pepe, hooray!